Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the adaptations. Adaptations. All the organisms adjust according to their climatic conditions, according to their weather adjustment, and these adjustments are known as adaptations. Actually, the entire world, Earth, divide into 8 biomes, as we have learnt in geography portion. Entire Earth divided into 8 zones, biomes, according to their climatic condition. Each biome having different kind of climatic conditions and different kind of vegetations. A biome is recognized with the different kind of climatic conditions and different kind of vegetations. Which are these biomes? Tropical rainforest, as we are in India, we are looking. Tropical rainforest, savanna, subtropical desert, chaparral, temperate grasslands, temperate forest, boreal forest, and arctic tundra. Revise once again: tropical rainforest, savanna, subtropical desert, chaparral, temperate grasslands, temperate forest, boreal forest, and last one, arctic tundra. Students, now look adaptations. What do you mean by adaptations? Any change in the structure, physiological or behavioral trait of an organism which enable it to cope the environmental conditions and stress, pressure. So this is known as adaptation. What do you mean by adaptation? Adjustment of organism in the field of structure, physiological and behavioral changes of an organism to enable to cope up with the environmental stress, environmental conditions. This is known as adaptation. Got it? So, what is the adaptation? Any change in the behavior, structure and physiology of an organism according to environmental conditions is known as adaptation. These changes, adaptations, may be of 3 types. Number 1, structural changes, structural adaptations. बच्चों, you can understand it like this better. Change in the size, change in the shape, change in the color of an organism. These refers to special body parts of an organism that help to survive in its natural habitat. Any change in the structure or body parts. Right? For best example, yak is living on the mountains, mountain regions, too cold conditions. So its body hair, thick body hair, long body hairs. Got it? Like this, lion live in the forest and hunting, catch its prey. To reach up to its prey, it is need to hide in the surrounding. अपने आप को छिपाना पड़ेगा, और अपने आप को छिपाने के लिए there are strips on the body of tiger. Like this, camel having brown color to avoid its enemies, to hide its enemies. इसको कहते हैं बच्चों हम लोग camouflage. You will discuss in later on camouflage. What do you mean by camouflage? Hiding in the surrounding. You know, you have seen many of the insects are green in color. When they live on the plants, grass, their color change. They are green in color, they are brown in color to hide themselves in the surrounding. Polar bear become white in color. Why? Because it is living in ice. And when it is living in ice, so to hide itself in its surrounding from the enemies, its color is white. So there is change in shape, size, color. These are known as structural changes. Next one, behavioral change. Behavioral change is a special way in which a particular organism behaves. A special way in which an particular organism behaves to survive in its natural habitat. इस नेचुरल हैबिटेट में जीना है, अपने आप को मॉडिफाई करना पड़ेगा. हाउ इट दे मॉडिफाई? दे चेंज देयर बिहेवियर. Desert or animals. Desert animal, there is too much hot conditions during the daytime that their body can burn. We also go outside in summer season. We also feel sun burning, skin burning. Sun burning, you face. But how these insects, these small animals, creatures can save their body? So they change their behavior. They become nocturnal. They come outside during night time. Some of the animals normally, you know well, some of the animals active during daytime. Active during daytime are known as diurnal animals which are active during daytime, diurnal animals which are active during night, known as nocturnals. You know, insects they get up early, they wake up early in the morning and move to different places in search of the food from one place to another. These are behavioral change. Now look, physiological adaptations. In certain kind of the organisms, they change their physiology. Physiology, secretion of special kind of material to perform a different biochemical process. These systems which are present in our body, present in the organism, that allow it to perform certain biochemical reaction, certain specific biochemical reaction to survive in its surrounding, in its natural habitat. Actually, you have seen in different kind of organisms, when you touch the earthworm body is moist, गीली body रहती है. Like this, the frog skin is also slimy skin. Frog skin is slimy skin. Got it? In certain kind of animals, they become poisonous. Why they become poisonous? Poisonous to us. Not they are. This poison is helpful to them. Snake venom or snake poison is digestive juice for the snake. But when it enter in our body, it may be poisonous to us. Poisonous for us. You have seen different kind of plants like oak plants, कनेर जिसको हम लोग कहते हैं. When you pluck its leaves, you will see that there is a latex, दूध निकलता है, latex is released. This is a kind of adaptation in such kind of the plants. You know, some of the succulent plants, the plants which live in the desert and their leaves are fleshy. They have fleshy leaves, मोटी मोटी leaves होती है, fleshy. So why they have the fleshy leaves? To store the water in its body. So these are certain physiological changes, a number of biochemical processes in their body which enabled them to survive in such kind of the environment. Excellent example, camel drink a lot of water, you know well, at one time, and it can live without water for certain days, right? Several weeks also. How it can conserve this water? It release dry excreta. जो excreta होता है पोटी, वो dry होती है. Number 2, it release urine very less amount. यूरिन बहुत थोड़ा सा यूरिन बाहर निकलेगा. Why? To conserve the water to live in the desert conditions. This is excellent example of physiological changes.